In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board, a handy trick for organizing your tasks and projects more efficiently. Whether you're aiming to replicate a successful project template or simply want a fresh start with a familiar setup, copying a Trello board can be incredibly useful. First, you'll need to head over to the Trello homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in https://trello.com. Hit enter, and once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already registered, you'll need to create an account to access Trello. However, for today's tutorial, we'll assume you already have an account ready to go. Once you're logged in, locate and open the board you want to copy. You can do this from your dashboard where you see all your boards displayed. Clicking on the board you wish to copy will open it up for you. Next, you'll need to access the board menu. Look to the upper right corner of your Trello board. There you should see a set of 3 horizontal dots, commonly referred to as the Options button. It might also appear as Show Menu. Clicking on this will reveal a list of actions you can perform on your board. From the menu that appears, search for and select the Copy Board option. This is a crucial step as it allows you to duplicate your board. Once you've clicked on Copy Board, you'll be prompted to give your copied board a new name. Think of something that clearly distinguishes it from the original, something relevant to its new purpose or context. You'll also need to decide what exactly you want to carry over to the new board. Trello gives you the option to keep all the cards, maintaining the same content as the original board. This is great if the board already has necessary information you wish to retain. Alternatively, you might opt to just copy the list without the cards, perfect for when you want a clean slate with the same structure but no old information. After deciding on the content you wish to keep, it's time to choose which workspace the new board will belong to. Make sure you select the appropriate workspace to ensure all team members who need it will have access. Also, check any settings linked with board permissions and visibility to align with your needs. Finally, with all these selections confirmed, click the Create button. Trello will then finalize the process, and in just a few moments, your new board will appear, ready for you to use. This process combines your desired elements with flexibility, ensuring that your organizational strategy can grow and adapt seamlessly with you. And that's it. A straightforward way to copy any Trello board, making sure your projects are handled with ease and efficiency. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to clone a board. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it streamlines your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy Trello